Ready to go, fire it up. All right, controls on. Just gotta wait for the cabinet to finish booting up.
Good.
Sweet. We're gonna power up the machine with the hydraulics. And then the machine should reference. There it goes. Referencing. And then we got to do a brake check, right? Okay. All right. Back gauge reference. We're going to do a brake check. There we go. Braking distance okay. Press start to continue. And we're running. This is our program that we have built in. It's a 3-step program. Step 2. And step 3. All right.